Hanks
Hanks has been awesome.
Unbelievable.
We've utilized every one of their centers throughout the Midwest, and every single one of their centers, they have a great staff and they're super helpful. They're very responsive. Their pricing is awesome, so they're very competitive.
Hey there, I'm Craig from Schleis Floor Coverings, project manager. We've been pouring self-leveler for the last 30 years. We would usually use a drill and the mixer barrels. So we do 2 bags at a time until we met this machine. We found out about this from our Ardex rep, PJ.
Yep.
And then we came to Hanks and they sold us on the units. And we used 2 of them in the last pour and they've been amazing. The consistency of the mix, the timing, and we can mix 2 bags up to 6 bags in our machine. So using the Portamix, instead of having 7 guys there on a pour that we would typically do, we only need 4. I think everything is quicker, yeah.
You're mixing more bags.
We're mixing.
You're 2 minutes mix.
Yeah, we're doing 3 minutes.
Instead of doing 3 batches, you're doing 1, so you're saving time.
I believe that we're cutting our timing by 40%. I think it's been unbelievable.
The maneuverability of it, the ease of the flow of dumping it out, getting the product where you need it. We had new installers using it, and they cut on pretty easy.
And they were never part of a pour, and they had no problem handling the machine. If you're an installer that's still using a barrel and mixing it by hand, you need to come and check this out.